Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked for what value of x is the expression 2 divided by x minus 6 squared plus 4 times x minus 7 plus 8 undefined. So this expression is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. So to find what value of x this expression is undefined, we have to set the denominator equal to 0. So all of this is equal to 0, and now we can solve. So x minus 6 times x minus 6, just write it up here to visualize it. That is going to give us x squared minus 6x minus another 6x is minus 12x, minus 6 times minus 6 is plus 36. And here we have plus 4x, plus 4 times negative 7 is minus 28, plus 8 is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 12x plus 4x is minus 8x, plus 36 minus 28 is 8, plus 8 is 16. And this is equal to 0. Now, we can do two things here. We can factor this, or we can just use the quadratic equation. So if you notice that there is a square here that we can see, right? We have x minus 4 times x minus 4, right? You notice that because 16 is a perfect square, right? It's 4 squared, or negative 4 squared. The reason we know it's negative is because 8 is 2 times the thing that's being squared here. If you didn't know this, then you could just find it by factoring the normal way, or by just using the quadratic formula. But noticing that it's a square right off the bat is going to be the fastest way to getting to this. And for this to be true, one of these has to be equal to 0. Of course, they're the same thing, so if one's 0, the other's 0. And the only thing we have to check is that x minus 4 has to be equal to 0. If this is true, then this is true, and therefore the function is undefined. All we have to do is add 4 to both sides. These cancel out. X is equal to 4 causes the expression to be undefined, and 4 is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.